Hi everybody, welcome back to Want to Step. In today's video, I'll be guiding you on how you can ask for a date in Tinder. So to get started, go ahead and open up Tinder application. Now the user face will appear somewhat like this. Now in order to ask for a date, what you're gonna do is simply go ahead and tap on chat section, which is appear on the bottom line of the screen. So once you tap on chat, all the chats will be available in here. You can see all the persons that you have matched, and in order to ask them for a date, what you can do is simply go ahead and text them and ask them for a date in a polite manner or in a polite words. Make sure that you don't use any vulgar words, because if that person reports you, you might get blocked from Tinder and you won't be able to use Tinder. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.